Minnesota civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning for the following areas in Minnesota: Houston County, Fillmore County, Winona County, Wabasha County, Olmsted County, and Moore County, effective until further notice. If you are seeing this alert, your life is greatly at risk, and you should pay close attention to this emergency message. Multiple individuals in the affected areas have reported that all of the water in their piping systems, such as sinks, bathtubs, and showers, has been replaced by an unknown black substance. This unknown black substance seems to be sentient, and has been reported to attack any individual within close proximity. The substance attacks by moving toward the individual and covering their entire body, as if to consume them. The individual then dies, and is transformed into this black substance. The origin, as well as the science behind this substance, is unknown at this time, and it is advised that you abandon the use of any sinks, showers, toilets, and bathtubs until the situation is further investigated. Only drink water liquids bought from grocery stores or other third-party facilities. If you notice a substance, stay as far away from it as possible and contact an authority. If the substance appears in your home, evacuate immediately, and do not return for any reason.